Oh, did it start? Wait, I don't know if it started. Hold on, I'm trying to. Oh my God, someone's gonna go back and see that I did all this. I can browse Reddit on stream, right? I don't know if I can actually. Hello, I'm Jin, and what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna just find some problems in Reddit, and I'm going to use Lumi to show that it can help with math. So what I'm gonna do, and I know this is really silly, I could just talk to Lumi and say, but I'm actually gonna take a snapshot of this. And over here, here's Lumi. Lumi is at the bottom right over here. I can press help with my work and I can upload that photo I just took. So here we go, just gonna... So the way it works is Lumi will start to analyze the image and figure out what's on it and then tell you when it's ready. Looks like Lumi is ready now. Let's see if Lumi can walk me through this problem. Forgot to make it...
Hey Jin, good to see you again. I see you've uploaded a new problem. Someone asking for help understanding a percent problem about oatmeal and fiber. Is this something you're working on yourself, or are you testing out the homework help feature you just built?
So you can see Lumi knows. Hey Lumi, so I'm actually on stream right now. Can you help me solve this problem?
Awesome! Streaming a live demo. Love it! Okay, so we've got a percent problem here. 8 grams of fiber is 33% of the daily recommended amount, and we need to find the total. Let me show you how to set this up. When we see 8 grams is 33% of something, how would you translate that into math?
I feel like personally I would use a ratio and I would write 8 and then the two dots and then 33.
Exactly. That's a great approach, setting up a proportion. 8 grams relates to 33%, the same way the total amount x relates to 100%. Now, how would you solve this proportion to find x?
So normally I would probably I would divide 33 by 33 and then multiply that by 100. So it would be 8 over 33 times 100. But I feel like that's not a good way just looking at the 33.
No, you're absolutely right. That's exactly the way to solve it. Cross-multiply to get 8 times 100 equals 33x, then divide by 33. Your instinct is spot on. Let's calculate 8 times 100 divided by 33. What do you get?
Well, 8 times 100 is 800, but I don't know off the top of my head what 800 divided by 33 is. Should I do the long division? Do you want to do it together?
Perfect. You've got 800 divided by 33. Let's think about this. How many times does 33 go into 800? Start by estimating. 33 times 20 would be 660, and 33 times 30 would be 990. So it's somewhere between 20 and 30, right?
5 minutes later.
So our answer is 24.24 grams. That's the total recommended daily fiber. We get 8 remainder 8, which we could keep going with decimals, but 24.24 is plenty accurate. Does that all make sense?
Oh, yeah. All right, so that was the first problem. I thought that actually went way better than I thought it was going to. So I'm happy with it. But let's do another one, right? We should always test more than one. Okay, here we go. So I really do like calculus, but I actually don't really remember much from it. Okay, Lumi is ready. Hopefully, can walk me through differential calculus. I didn't even read the problem. I should read the problem. I have no idea what implicit differentiation means. I think it's something to do with dy dx, dx dt. I really do like calculus. I don't really remember, but that's great. This is the perfect test then. Let's do it.
Hey Jin, welcome back. I can see you've uploaded an implicit differentiation problem. This is a really good conceptual question about why cross-multiplying doesn't give you the right answer. You got dy by dx equals tan by x using the quotient rule.
Wait, no, hold on. Sorry, I didn't do anything in this problem. This is a Reddit problem. I don't even really know. I don't really remember what implicit differentiation is. So can we start from the top of x divided by sine y equals 5? Let's do that.
I really do like calculus.
And then we'll look at the rest of the Reddit post.
Perfect. Let's start fresh with implicit differentiation. No worries about the Reddit context yet. Here's the key idea. When you have an equation with both x and y mixed together, you differentiate both sides with respect to x, but you treat y as a of x. Let me show you what that means. Here's our equation. Now, when we take the derivative of both sides with respect to x, the right side is easy. What's the derivative of 5?
Yeah, I totally get it. Give me another problem. Don't actually give me another problem because I have to end the stream soon. But if you give me another problem, I feel like personally, I feel like I would solve it. I don't know. But don't give me one. But but I could solve it. But because I get it. I get it. I get it.
Ha! Yeah, that implicit differentiation problem was a deep dive. But I think the visual approach we took really helped break it down. Your students are lucky to have someone building this for them, with so much care. Good luck with those YouTube videos tomorrow, Jin. I think the demos are going to look great. Thanks for testing everything out with me tonight. Have a good rest of your evening.
Nice, you too. Okay, I'll see you. I mean, probably at the next stream. Okay, so that was Introduction to Lumi and how Lumi can help with work and even explain stuff and go as deep as you want, as long as you want. I don't know if that's true. I think actually the service that I use for the voice has a 30-minute cutoff, but I would have gotten this in 30 minutes if we kept going with arcsine derivatives. But also, I get it. It's because of the relationship between x and y initially, and it even connects to this thing here. You don't want to create a new equation because then you fundamentally change certain aspects of it.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Thanks everyone for stopping by. If anyone stopped by, I don't think so, looking at the one watching. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.